Grand awakening, Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, magic, and money all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, check out my LinkTree. Book a really good massage with me. Check out the ebooks, the music, the NFTs. Great products are there. Your word of the day is affirmation, confirmation. Write it down, make it plain. Make sure that when Spirit asks you, what do you want? Do not cuddle, do not coddle, do not retract into your former self and say, I don't deserve. Write down your heart's desires, because Spirit is saying, what do you want? I'm ready to give you what you want. So write it down, make it plain. Do not skip any lines on your loose leaf paper. Write on the back, because when you get to ask, when Spirit asks you what you want, do not shy away. Go for the gold, because you've been through so much now and you know what you want to ask for. But I want you to be bold. Step for the throne of grace. Go before the throne of grace and ask for what you want, so there you can receive it. I listen to myself and acknowledge my needs, assert my power, and retain that. I'm brave and gentle. I don't have to be afraid of others, because I respect myself, and I'm respected by others because of that. You value yourself. You ask for what you want, and we love that about you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.